Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is part 3 of arranging the study room. So this is my last part. It's still the same day guys, but I just divided the video into 3 parts. So this is the last part when I'm doing this. These are the baby girls study room. It's not a baby as such, it's a teenager, like just turned 13. So here I am again with the same process. I took a paper and some of the things I'm just of the pens, or I'm just opening them and writing down the markers and check if they're still working or not. So look at my serious face, guys. That's what I do when I put my mind on something. I really do it. So yeah, a girl's gotta do what girl gotta do. We have to look for money. Well, this is my other way of looking for money, guys, because money just doesn't knock on the door and then you open and take it. No, you have to go outside, work for it, and pray that God will, bless the works of your hands, and you must have faith as well as a mustard seed, that whenever you pray, God has heard you and it's done and it's done. So yeah, here I am, mind over matter, just doing my work. I'm trying to be fast, but so I just have to be careful. So at the same time, sometimes when I just fast, you just have to be careful. I just try to what do you call it? Is it synchronize, or to put things into groups, like pens on their own, pencils on their own, so that it will just be easy for the child to see whenever they are studying, or whenever they are having online lessons. Like nowadays, with what's going on around here in UAE, all schools have resorted to online lessons. So yeah, everything must be there. Whenever just say take your pencil, take your ruler, take your colors, it will just be on inside. Like no need to say, oh, it's not working. So yeah, that's what I'm just trying to fix here. Yeah, that is it, guys. And you know what, outside by that time it was so raining this week. This is the third week of March 2026. It's been so much raining, and all of a sudden windy. Then after windy, sun comes out. Then again, it's like a rotation. But there are floods because the roads are not made for rainy water as well, and also some of the electricity is underground. So maybe that's why they didn't make those drainages. I don't know. But there were trucks outside. By the time that I was going home, I saw some trucks outside which were sucking out all the waters from the roads. Yeah. So that is what was happening. I think here I'm almost done. Let me just check what's going on. I'm just thinking, so what's next? What will I do? I'm almost done. That white thing I had to throw, that was all thing. And I bought this transparent, and this looked like a rose gold apple pencil holder as well. I like this one because it was big. I used it for all the 4 children, and like there wasn't a lot of so many things to put on, like to put all the materials. Yeah, so it is what it is. If you've come so far, guys, listening to my voice, and you're new to this channel, subscribe, press the notification bell so that whenever I post, you'll be notified. And tell a friend to subscribe. Once in a while, guys, I go on live. Now it is like with a lot that has been happening, I haven't been able to just press live and start talking. I've been so busy, but I'm so sorry, guys. I won't be busy for you. I'll try and make time for you. Yeah, but I promise. Yeah, so that is it. Yeah. What am I doing right there? Let's see, guys. Just watch with me. If I be quiet for a while, you just see what I'm doing. Yeah. So that's the one that I put all the crayons, the water markers, and the paint brushes. I put them there. Now I'm just checking, do we really need this or just throw? I think I threw that away. I think here. or I just kept it in that other rose gold thing. So this is the final look, guys. The final look at the flowers. Look at that cot. Oh my, so clean, so clean and friendly. Look what I was telling you. Everything is on place and easily accessible as well. And here it is, guys. Look at the table, the real study table. There's a watch, there's that a notebook on the side, a calculator, all girly things. And under there's a carpet coziness and a pillow behind. Tell me who would want to study in this place? It's just so spacious and so airy and so beautiful at the same time.